Infinix Hot 11 is probably the last device from Infinix in 2021 with 90Hz refresh rate, 50 megapixel camera, 6000 mAh battery. The question is, being an 11th hour device, is it really worth a buy in 2022? In this video, we are gonna find out, so relax, grab your popcorn and let's get started. So what's up guys, it is Derek. The Infinix Hot 11 is a full plastic body build that feels good in hands. It has a bigger 6.8-inch IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate for smooth scroll, but it's just a 720 by 1640 display, which is a total downgrade from the water drop notch and a chin below the display. This device is still a budget device with a 3.5mm earphone jack, mics, micro USB ports, and a speaker grill. The micro USB is something I don't feel is right to still have on a device that came out in late 2021, hoping for people to buy in 2022. I think there should be a stop to the company still making micro USB, most especially on phones that are above $100. On the right side of the device, you get a volume rocker and a power button, while on the left side, you only get a SIM and SD card tray. The camera on the Infinix Hot 11 has a triple camera setup, which is a 50 megapixel main, 5 megapixel depth, and a 2 megapixel micro lens, which with all these figures, it still puts itself to the mud because it's far much lower than the Hot 10, but still makes decent pictures for a normal person that doesn't know much about smartphone cameras. The camera shoots video at 1080p and slow motion video at 240 fps. Here are some samples I got from the Infinix Hot 11 camera. Hey guys, what's up? It's Derek here, and this is the back camera of the Infinix Hot 11, shooting at 1080p. This is the video. So, can you let me know how, in the comment section below, how the video quality is? So let's check the green plant. The Infinix Hot 11 comes with a MediaTek Helio G37, a 4GB RAM of two variants, which are a 64GB and a 128GB of internal storage. The processor on the Infinix Hot 11 is a total downgrade from the Hot 10. It is still said to be a gaming processor. I didn't get to test some games on this device, but the performance is fair enough. Handling apps in the background on the Infinix Hot 11 is actually not steady because I had only YouTube app open with my Fire app, but by the time I came back to the YouTube app, it had to take me back from the beginning to search for the video I was watching. On the software part, it runs on Android 11 with XOS 8.0. I must thank Infinix for the good job done in the new skin UI upgrade. It's now more modern than the previous XOS version, but it still has some bleedwares which can be uninstalled if you wish to. The security on the Infinix Hot 11 uses the fingerprint sensor located at the back of the device to secure it, and there's a face unlock features, which is not a good fit for security. The battery on the Hot 11 is a huge 6000 mAh battery, which can last you well depending on your own usage. Despite the huge battery, the Hot 11 still feels lightweight and still less thick. The Infinix Hot 11 is a good device with some good specs and not too good specs, priced at 86,000 naira in Nigeria and about $150. At this price, it is okay to get such spec, and even when you look at the conversion rates with naira and dollar, it's nothing to write home about. I will only recommend this device for someone who stays at a remote location with less power supply, or someone who wants a backup device. That is that for this video. Please kindly leave a comment if you enjoyed this video. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.